Hello everyone, my name is Tim Ruckert, and in this video I want to share with you our latest case study regarding a major battery manufacturer in the United States. They're operating at a large factory scale and needed to solve a massive challenge, fully automating the transfer of cathode powders like cobalt, nickel and lithium into their mixing reactors. The goal was simple but technically demanding: zero operator intervention. They used AGVs to transport IBCs, but as we know, AGVs are precise but not laboratory precise. They needed a containment interface that could also absorb positioning variances without leaking or failing. For this project, we implemented our ASBV DN250 Split Butterfly Valve. The key here is the built-in mechanical tolerance compensation. Our floating active flange and bumper system allows the valve to engage reliably, even if the AGV alignment isn't perfect. This eliminates the need for expensive custom docking fixtures at every station. The entire cycle, connecting, transfer and undocking, is executed on the pneumatic control triggered by the plant's automation system. Because they handle graphite and carbon black, the system is fully ATEX-certified for explosive atmosphere zones. No ignition sources, no dust exposure and no human operators required at the transfer point. The result? A system designed for over 10 to 20 year service life that runs at the speed of the automation around it. The containment doesn't slow down the process, it enables it. Whether you are in battery, pharma or fine chemicals, these engineering requirements are identical. If you are planning an automated powder handling project and need a field-proven interface, we are ready to assist you. You can find the full technical details of this case study on the link below and on our website, or contact us directly to discuss your specific requirements. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye. See you soon.